Hey guys, it's Danny. Alrighty, so it never dawned on me, but I actually switched my Vanda display. I bought another hanger, and although I think I've mentioned it to you, I never actually showed it off. So if you remember, ever since a year ago or something, I purchased this hanger, or actually it wants to be a sort of a mobile closet from Ikea, which I got inspired to use from Astrid. She actually purchased the first one. And I saw one for sale on my Ikea and I thought, well, yes, it's great because it gives me room to put or install my new shelf. However, though, the problem with that Ikea hanger or stand is that it only has one bar. And it's really good if you don't have too many Vanda orchids, but when you have 20 something, it's a little bit too tiny. So in my journeys in home improvement stores, I found another hanger, which is double. So here it is. This is my new hanger, and excuse the way my Vandas are arranged, I'll tell you what the problem is. As you can see, I'm already putting them in baskets, but this is the double hanger that I found at a home improvement store in my area. It's not an Ikea one. Down below, we can see we have, yes, those are wheels. So I can move it around to clean up the windows, and it's not that it was heavy, but it's just so much easier to roll it out of there. So as you can see, my Vandas are displayed on the two bars, the two rows. Well, maybe you should just imagine they are. What's the problem with this thing? The bars are pretty thick, and some of my hooks, the white ones, absolutely don't fit on that bar. The only ones that fit are the large hooks from the large Vandas. But here's the catch. The large Vandas become way too large for those hooks. As you can see here, that's my Patera Delight. It's starting to grow out, and that has posed many issues. Therefore, basketing my Vandas, I talked about that, gives me the opportunity to create a new hook that would fit on the bar, and also longer hangers to accommodate for the growing Vandas. In any case, this is my new Vanda display. It's a double display, and I know that bar is pretty empty right now, but it will be filled with all of these orchids when I put them in baskets and I create new hooks for them. So this stand, this hanger is still on my southern window, and it costed me 15 euros to buy, and I think it's a great investment. The Ikea one costs 10 euros. None of them are very expensive. So I guess you can totally find something similar at your home improvement stores if you were looking for a place to hang your Vandas and you simply ran out of space on your bar. These ones will be moved as well. I have a plan, don't you worry. But everybody pretty much will stay here, and it will look much better. So alrighty guys, enough for this quick vid. Hope this inspired you. I'm thinking about an easier watering source. I'm thinking about a little tub or little tubs to put there under these chairs right here, so I can hide them away, in which I can water and soak my Vandas, because the baskets have a flat bottom and it doesn't really drip all that much. To just water them and put them back in their place. No more going to the sink with them, which is not a hassle since I don't water them every day anymore, but still, you know, if I can make my life easier and inspire you guys in the same way, why not? I'll think about it. So alrighty, this has been my new Vanda hanger, Vanda display. It looks quite pretty, and it definitely looks a lot prettier with these baskets, don't you think? Alrighty guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you've enjoyed it and it inspired you. You know the drill, rate this video below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for regular orchid videos. Also turn on notifications as well, just so you don't miss a video. And with that said, I'll see you all next time. Bye! And PS, yes, this is my Hoya Calycina. She will get a revamp one of these days. A new setup, that's what I mean. She's in bloom, she has more buds across her vine. Oh my goodness, you guys, it smells so nice. It smells like lilies. It's almost 1-to-1. All of my greenhouse smells like lilies right now. I'm just so happy, I love it, but I think I'll talk more about it on the other channel. In any case, Habib, this is for you. I still have it. Thank you so much for sending it to me. I almost lost it, if you remember, a year ago, but she's doing great. She bloomed and I just love it.